Whoa! No way! No freaking way! Did you see what I just did? Holy snaps! I just shot an eagle. Come on, come on, dog. Let's get this eagle. Are you kidding me? Single shot, pulled an eagle out of the sky with my 270. The first animal I shot with it. Look at him go. He's on his way. Go get it, buddy. I asked the guy the other day what happens if you shoot an eagle. You get a fine. He said, "Good luck finding it." You know what? You know what? You ain't gonna believe this. Oh my gosh. You ain't gonna believe this. Do that thing, Brutus. Do that thing, Brutus. There he goes. He's going. Find it. Find it. Better try it again, buddy. Don't come back without it. Blasted that eagle out of the sky with a frickin' 270. I know, that was not really a ethical shot, but